Please insert the memory card vertically into the card slot before powering on. When plugging in the power cord, make sure that it is fully inserted into the connector. Please plug in the power cord last. Here you can see all the features in the setting page. It is divided into functions related to the DVR and the system. You can make a personalized setting for your recorder in this setting page. After you select the function you want to set, return to the home page and the setting will be saved automatically. Next, I will show you a screen of recording function. The next time you restart the recorder will automatically enter the screen of recording. You can see that the recorder doesn't light up the screen, but the working light is already on. And the recorder will say, video start. Press any button to activate the screen. This recorder has 3 recording modes: single front lens mode, dual lens mode, and 4 lens mode. Select the recording mode you want. Then the recorder will reboot to switch to the recording mode you selected.